Some big dogs and some little dogs going around in cars. A dog out of a car. Two big dogs are going
up.
One little dog is going
Down.
The green dog is
Up.
The yellow dog is
Down.
The blue dog is
And
the red dog is
out.
A green dog over a tree.
A little dog under a tree.
Two dogs in a house on a boat in the water. A dog over the water and
A dog under the water. Hello. Hello. Do you like my hat? I did not. Goodbye. Goodbye.
the dogs are all going around in a
Go around again.
The sun is up. The sun is orange.
No, yellow.
Oh, yellow. The yellow sun is over.
No, the orange.
It is hot out here in the sun.
It's not out here in the house. It's using water.
Yes, he is. Now it is 3 dogs at a party on a boat at night. Dogs at work.
What dogs look?
Dogs at play.
Play, dogs, play. Hello. Hello. Do you like my hat? I did not. Goodbye.
Here are dogs in cars again. They're going away fast. Look at those dogs go. Go, dogs, go. Stop, dogs, stop. The light is...
What they saying?
They're stopping their cars because the light is...
Where?
Go, dogs, go. The light is...
What they doing?
Now they're going because the light is...
Green.
Here are 2 dogs at play up on top. Go down, dogs. Do not play up there. Go down. Now it is... Night is not the time for play. It is time for... The dogs go to sleep. They will sleep all...
What they can dream about?
What do you think they'll dream about?
He's under the bed.
What are they going to dream about?
He's under the bed.
Mm-hmm.
What's he dreaming?
What do you think he's dreaming about?
Soapy.
Now...
No. I see they're dreaming about the light.
They're dreaming about the night?
Yeah.
Now it is...
Night. The sun is up.
Is that night? What is that called?
Yeah.
It is called day.
Day.
The sun is up. Now is the time for all dogs to get up.
What does he have?
Here's a collar. Get up, it is day. Time to get going. Go, dogs, go. There they go. Look at those dogs go. Why are they going fast in those cars? What are they going to do? Where are those dogs going? Look where they are going. They're going to...
That red tree over there.
That's right. Now all the cars stop. Now all the dogs get out. And now look where the dogs are going.
To the tree, to the tree. Up the tree, up the tree.
Up they go to the top of the tree. Why? Will they work there? Will they...
Play there? What's up there?
What is up there at the top of the tree?
A dog party.
A big dog party. Big dogs and
Little dog.
red dogs and
Blue dog.
yellow dogs and
Green dog.
black dogs and
White dog.
are all at a dog party. What a dog party. Hello again. And now do you like my hat?
I do. With a hat. I like that party hat. Goodbye. Goodbye. Again.
Now it's time for us to play.
No!